Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Virgos. So let's start with these cards here. We have Four of Cups in reverse, Sun in reverse, and Page of Cups. So, Virgos, today in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you may have some things bothering you. Maybe you're worried about something. There may be some delays you may see in your work. Maybe you were expecting certain things. The results may be quite lesser than what you expected. So to some extent you feel some kind of stress. It may not be some major problem, it may be something small, guys, but whatever it is, you are having some kind of you are stressed because of that. Something is not going as you expected, guys. And maybe for some of you in your situation today, maybe in this relationship or in your work situation, you are having someone coming to you, maybe trying to help you out. It may be your common friend or it may be a family member. They are coming with a message or some positive news, or it may be your colleague in work. So they are bringing you a good news today, guys, Virgos. So you are really friendly with this person and they are here to help you. Maybe out of the way, they are going out of the way to help you in your work situation, guys. And this person can be trusted. It may be your friend or a family member. So, or it may be a message from this person you love. So they are bringing you some important message, something which you never expected to come from this person, and they are sending you this message, maybe confirming their intention to be in this relationship with you. So maybe things are going in the right way, or maybe for some of you, if you are open to a new relationship, it may be a new person telling you about their interest in this love, interest in this relationship with you, or it may be a happy news in your work, maybe some projects or some work related beginnings, some new beginning. So something which you never ever expected is coming towards you, some positive news, some positive opportunity that is going to take you towards your dreams and goals, something which you are really happy about, guys. So that is what I see, Virgos, with these cards. So things are going in the right way. A news or a message is reaching you today, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see, guys. Thank you for watching, Virgos. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. So for those who chose the first card, I will keep the second card aside. For this card, we will see what it is. It is the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So when you get this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are on the way to make an enormous sacrifice. You are considering maybe, and you are restricting your true voice. You are not speaking what you truly feel, and you are doing that in order to gain that acceptance from someone or avoid conflict. And you are giving up your emotions, maybe trying to fit yourself in your circumstances, in your environment. And maybe it is totally uncomfortable for you, painful for you, and you are feeling really heavy, ill at ease, you don't know what to do, you feel really uncomfortable and not at home and feeling really awkward, making these changes that are not true to your emotions or true to your heart. So instead of making such sacrifices which are really painful for you, which are not what you are trying to change yourself to something which is not the truth, guys. So this self-sacrifice is only taking you towards more pain and sadness, and maybe in the long run you may earn the other person's pity but never love. So you need to understand that you should never deny your heritage, your talents, skills, and your abilities, your beautiful abilities. That is what is going to make you more lovable and true to yourself. So trying to change yourself is not going to help you in any way, guys. It is going to create more pain for you, and that is not the truth. You are trying to live a lie, so that is not going to take you anywhere, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So we should stand for the truth, what we honestly are, and when we build our relationship on that honesty, it is going to work. But when we change ourselves to something which we are not, and when we build that relationship on that lie, that relationship will move towards pain and more sadness, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it says courage. So with this card, it just means self-determination and conviction, having confidence in ourselves and standing for what we truly believe in. So standing firm for ourselves does not mean controlling or ignoring others, but for determining what is not up for negotiation. So certain things we truly believe in, we must stand for it, guys, and we must never compromise on our beliefs and ideals. That is what this card is about. So when we do that, when we have that self-determination, finding that purpose, we encourage the other person also to do the same. So we must be compassionate towards others, and we can listen to their beliefs or ideals, but never ever give up your convictions, your own convictions or belief. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we must be able to hold on to what we truly believe in, stand strong, stand confident, and courageous. So, that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.